Today I'm trying to get the cabinet doors. I've already cut them, sanded them, and painted them. And I'm gonna take a drill, and I've got me a block made, and it's 2 by 2. And all I have to do is line it up on the corner, and then drill the hole out. This one will be the other way around, like that. Going 2 from here and 2 from here, inches, and get some handles on. They're just little pull knobs, and I'll get one and show you what I'm talking about. All right, here we go. The plywood is 19/32, and this screw comes with the pack of knobs. I think I got 10 for $24 or $26, and it fits pretty good. But I wanted to fit a little tighter, so I added a little washer to make it where it would be nice and snug and won't bottom out and then be real loose on the cabinet. So let's get these put on and get them put up. All right, I'm trying to get y'all a good angle. Just take your drill bit and match it to the size so you have a good, nice, snug fit with your bolt that goes into the pull knob. And I line this up flush on both sides. And that hole is 2 inches from here and 2 inches from here. And that way we know they're all the same. Keep you from having to mark every single door. So I got that lined up. Perfect. Now we'll just take the screw and push it through there. Get it started. No, it's not. Knock it through. Then screw this on. And when it gets tight, it's going to turn your bolt. So when it gets good and snug and it starts turning the bolt, come on the back side, hold your knob, and just cinch it down. And that's it. And we'll get some hinges on, and then we'll hang it up on the cabinet. I want to show y'all a quick tip. I took off the old hardware and cleaned it. I used a Dremel tool and a brush, and this bit of brush, and it's got all in the grooves, cleaned it up real good, and then bought some appliance enamel paint and painted them black. That kept me from buying all new hardware. And take the screws in a box where I bought a light and screwed them in and painted the tops, and that way I don't have to buy all new hardware. All right, let's get these hinges put on. I've already done the measurements. I know that 2 inches from the cabinet to here is 2 inches, and that'll line up with the holes already pre-made in the cabinets. I just took them off the cabinets, repainted everything. Line up 2 inches. Then screw it down. Making sure it's centered so it don't walk away, and push in on the plywood just a little bit. Alright. they're in. All right, this is gonna be fun to watch. Get me a couple screws off the box. Go in the cabinet. Line it up. There's already holes pre-made. I'll line it up with them. Done them so far, and I've got them to go, so we'll be right back and see the rest of them put up. I am short one door, but I'll get all of them put up except for that one, and we'll be right back. Well, I got most of them up. I've got one more that I've got to make. I've already painted it. It's ready to put up as soon as it dries. So we will be back and show you the final, just the doors. I still got to go on the inside here and put up here and here to block off the cabinet, and on the outside here and where the refrigerator goes right here. I'm gonna put a little piece right there, and the cabinets above the counter will be ready. And then, not sure what I'll do next. I'll probably put the wainscot across the wall right here. I'm gonna put it from the kitchen area all the way down into the living room, and with a chair rail on top. And the living room will be done except for the flooring. And that'll be the next step. We'll be back when I get that door put up. All right, I got that last door put up, and all the doors are on. And we're on to the next step. And I don't really like how there's a big gap above these doors. Like I said, this is a 76 model trailer I'm fixing up for rental property. And you don't want to put a ton of money into something that old. You just fix it up enough where somebody can make it livable, but not trash either. So I am doing it on a budget, and I'm getting close to having the living room and the kitchen done. I know I don't have the countertops in, but I'll be doing them pretty shortly. I'm probably going to do a centerpiece with the cabinets and the sink. And then on either side, I'm going to do a cabinet with a curtain, and that'll keep from having to buy. It's such a weird measurements in there. It's hard to find something exact. So I'm probably going to do a little piece. I've got this, but I think I'm going to end up using that for the bar. I'm going to do an island / bar right here in the middle, and that eliminates having to have room for a kitchen table. This trailer is a single wide, so it doesn't have a ton of room, and I think that's what I'm going to do with that, but that's another project. So there's the kitchen cabinets, the doors, 9/32 pine plywood, sanded, corners, edges knocked off, and then used some of the old hardware I just painted, and with new knobs. And there you go. I appreciate y'all watching.